Hello students, today we will discuss multiplication of decimals. In the previous videos we have discussed about how to compare decimals and addition and subtraction of decimals. Now in this video we will solve how to multiply, we will learn how to multiply decimals. Okay, 0.2 for example, 0.2 and 0.3. We know very well how to convert decimals into fractions. So 0.2 can be written as 2 divided by, there is one digit after decimal point, so 2, it can be written as, it can be converted into fractions, 2 divided by 10, and again 0.3 is equal to 3 divided by 10. So 0.2 by 10 by multiply 3 by 10 is equal to 2 3 is 6 by 100, and 1 0, there are two zeros, so डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद दो डिजिट आने चाहिए. सो 6, सो हम यहाँ पे क्या अप्लाई करेंगे, 0, सो 0.06. ऑल्सो देर इज़ अनदर मैथड ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइंग 2.5. मैथड इज सेम, बट आपको ये डेसिमल से फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट नहीं करना, जस्ट आप डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं. 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 100, and there is one digit after decimal point, so after decimal point there should be one digit, 1, so answer is 10 here. Also you can multiply this number as 225 divided by one digit after decimal, 25 by 10 multiply 4, and this is equal to 100 divided by 10, and it is cancelled out. Again answer is 10. Both the ways, in you can solve the question, you can do multiplication in both the ways. Again there are some more questions. How to multiply with 10, 100 and 1000. 1.76 multiply by 10, you can convert 1.76 into fractions. There are two digits after decimal point, so we can write 100 in denominator, and 176 divided by 10, one digit, there is 10, there should be one digit after decimal point, so you will write here 17.6. again 1.76 multiply by 100, 176, convert it into fractions. There are two digits after decimal point, so you can, these both zeros can be cancelled out, and the answer is 176 here. Also you can multiply directly 176 and two zeros. After multiplication we get this number, and there are two digits after decimal point, so 1 2 and 1 2, you can write here 176. Okay, and again this is third part, 176 divided by 100 multiply 1000, two zeros can will be cancelled out, 17760. This is your answer.